This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the obvious but essential details. Your phone number and country code must match exactly. Next, test connectivity. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and briefly enable then disable airplane mode so Telegram can reattempt sending. Once done, force stop Telegram, relaunch it, and clear the app cache from settings if you already signed in and the code failed. These steps force the app to reinitialize network requests and often resolve transient delivery failures. Now focus on app and account specifics that block codes. Update Telegram in the Play Store so any known SMS or push bugs are fixed. Make sure background data is permitted and notifications are enabled because push codes arrive via Google push services. If an app codes fail, request an SMS code instead, and if possible, try signing in on another device to isolate whether it's your phone or the account. These checks pinpoint whether the issue is app, device, or account related. Finish with deeper network and recovery steps. Resetting network settings or switching to a different SIM or Wi-Fi network removes carrier or DNS problems that block codes. Make sure VPNs, ad blockers, or carrier SMS filters are disabled because they can intercept verification traffic. If nothing works, contact Telegram support from the app or web, include timestamps, country code, and exact error text so they can trace delivery. One tip: retry after 10-15 minutes. Rate limits or carrier delays often clear on their own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.